Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use Quillbot to remove plagiarism. To begin, go to quillbot.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one for free. Keep in mind that to use Quillbot's full plagiarism checking and rewriting tools, you may need to upgrade to the premium version. Once logged in, copy the text you want to check for plagiarism and paste it into the text box on the Quillbot website. Alternatively, you can click the Upload File button to upload a document directly. If you're using the plagiarism checker, click the Scan button and Quillbot will analyze your text for any matches with online content. After the scan, Quillbot will highlight areas that might need rewriting. Once you are satisfied with the rewritten content, copy it back to your document. Repeat this process for all sections flagged by the plagiarism checker. That's how you can use Quillbot to check and remove plagiarism from your text. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.